Arkansas, we hard. Push raw, cook raw, everyday fuck the law. Rolling in fancy cars, chillin' with bad broads. We from the AR. I'm from the AR. And we don't play hard, we stay hard. Blowing up like napalm, ripping my game like Mason. Been pitching that Caucasian, smoke like train stations. Money is the root, with my plantation. Skin tone dominant, never been a racist. Roll with my aces, came up from babies. Can't break a bond when blood stains done came since babies. Born to live good, I can't help it, the streets raised me. Sneaking out of my mama crib, the drama kid. Ready to open up a problem quick, get involved with it, then solve it. Raw carcasses, but never mind that. I'm all about a stack I could get put on and throw my homeboys a pack. Just to see how they can get it off. Cause me, I'm trying to get it all, then get it gone. I'm from the AR. Arkansas, we hard. Push raw, cook raw, everyday fuck the law. Rolling in fancy cars, chillin' with bad broads. We from the AR. I'm from the AR. Arkansas, we hard. Push raw, cook raw, everyday fuck the law. Rolling in fancy cars, chillin' with bad broads. We from the AR. I'm a hustler, yeah, you know that. Every little thing, I done sold that. Got too much money, can't fold that. About to go throw back on these hoe niggas. Get stepped on like a doormat. Welcome to the city of mine, better respect it. The type to learn from my experience. I don't deck it, I'm at your throat like a choke. They laughing with me, you the joke. I got that cracker with me, lose your hope. Off one dose, fuck you and your oath, that's no joke. It's hot out here, and you can get super soaked. Better watch how you approach. I ride with niggas with a short temper. You get sent to the mortician. Causing havoc is our coalition. I'm one of the coldest brothers in the solar system. Get me, I'm like, who fucking with me? I'm from the AR. Arkansas, we hard. Push raw, cook raw, everyday fuck the law. Rolling in fancy cars, chillin' with bad broads. We from the AR.